Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you can see by that big old green box on the table, it says CRKT. You know we're going to take a look at a pretty cool knife today. So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to show you and tell you about everything that came in that box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, as you saw by that, little thumbnail, whatever you clicked on, the entrance title, you know we're going to take a look at the CRKT Pilar Large in D2. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to take a moment right up front and say thank you so much for watching this video. It is going to be different from every other knife review you've ever seen out there on YouTube. We tend to do things a little bit stranger here on the channel, so hopefully you're going to bear with us. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers of the channel who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down here. I believe it's going to be sitting right over here. Little channel watermark's going to be popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing, hover over it, do whatever you got to do to pull up subscribe. You're going to want to click that because you're going to want my channel in your timeline. We do things really differently here, and you want to be along for the ride. Alrighty, guys. So, without much further ado, there she is. I really like the revamp on this one. I truly do. From the upgraded blade steel to the black finish to the black scales, just everything about this, I love. And no, it didn't come with the lanyard. I added that. We have already taken a look at the Pilar before, and it's part of our affordable everyday carry blade series. Look up there up top. You're going to see a card for every single EDC blade that we reviewed so far. It's going to be sitting in there. You're going to find some great blades in there that you might want to take a look at. Now, before we go too much further, and I give you the stats and all the fun stuff, as usual with CRKT, you always get a little bit of propaganda in there. Today's looks to be about the Ed Halligan folding kiss. Alright, there it is. Okay. So let's get on the fun stuff with this guy like we usually do. It is a Jesper Voxness design, and if I understand it right, it is named after Hemingway's legendary boat, the Pilar. So I think that's pretty freaking cool because from my understanding, Hemingway had a lot of adventures on that boat that are kind of legendary in of themselves. But let's get into the stats on this guy. It's got an overall length of sorry, my own handwriting sucks. 6.25 inches. The blade is 6.25. Am I getting that right? Yeah. And closed, it's 4. Sorry. It's got a weight of 3.52 ounces. Sorry, guys. I had too many adult beverages last night, so I'm dragging a butt this morning, but I really wanted to get this video filmed because I want to get it uploaded as soon as possible. Now, it's got a flat grind in the sheep's foot style, and as you already know by the beginning, it is D2 steel. It's got a black, finish. What I love is on one side, you've got G10 scales. At first, I thought that might have been micarta, but nope, G10. I love how they feel. I love like that little checkerboard pattern on there. It really makes it grippy, and it's really, really cool. Now, it does have a reversible pocket clip, so you can carry it tip up or tip down, and it's basically only a right-hand carry. Now, to open her up, you can either use a little flipper. Let's try that again. Or the thumb hole. It does have a frame lock, which, wow, okay. Is that even really catching on down there? Okay, I'll buy that. Frame lock, lanyard hole, and yes, in case you're wondering, it is made in China. No biggie. Alright, let's have the fun stuff like we usually like to. Heavy duty stock paper. Dang, just burns right through it. Now let's just see for fun. I was doing it pretty good till I messed up. I love doing them little curly cues. It shows you when you're going really slow how truly sharp the blade is. And hopefully you can see that. I am not seeing any really flakes picking up on the blade itself. So that's good. So it really doesn't need to be stropped right away out of the box. So let's go on to the next one. Paracord. All right, simple pull test. Wow, no problem. And let's just go with the 2 slice test. And as if we don't know what's going to happen, our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap. Ooh, I even held that one wrong and it burned right through it. Let's do that one more time. Okay, no big deal with all 3 of those. As you can see, it did pick up some red from the ratchet strap. But that's okay. Alright, so I found it on 3 different areas. On Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's going to run you basically $50, $49.99. CRKT, $69.99, and Blade HQ, $49.99. Now, it was not reviewed over on Blade HQ. It's been reviewed 1 time on CRKT, and it got a 5 out of 5, and 23 times over on Amazon.com for a 3.9 out of 5. All right. Now, here's the fun stuff. And yeah, I forgot the patches again, so I'm kind of curious. Do you think it's a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? And on top of all that, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything down below in the comments section like we usually do. Let's get a pretty good conversation going about this guy. Because I'll be honest, I like the Pilar. I like the smaller version, but I love this bigger one, you know, a heck of a lot more. It just seems to be bigger, burlier, and just can do more than the small one can. I know, sizes and everything. Go ahead, have your great laugh. All right. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this really weird one. Like I said in the beginning, I told you we do things a little differently on this channel, and that's part of the fun. I don't want to be like every other single channel out there. So hopefully, you're going to knock that subscribe out the way and come along for the ride. If you didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here's your second chance. Right down there. For you first-timers and you long-time guys who haven't done it yet. Big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, that's a good question. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, that's right, you guys know what's coming. 2 videos are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Pilar Large. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.